Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an Audi R8 in Pixel Car Racer. First, choose the right base car in the game, like the Honda NSX or Nissan GT-R, as they have similar profiles. Next, navigate to the body shop and select a wide-body kit that closely resembles the R8's aggressive stance. Finally, pick a metallic silver or dark gray paint to capture that iconic Audi finish. This initial setup is crucial for a realistic recreation. Now let's focus on the wheels and stance. Select a set of multi-spoke wheels, ideally between 18 and 20 inches, to mimic the R8's factory options. Then, lower the suspension significantly to achieve that low-slung performance car look. Don't forget to fine-tune the camber and offset. This ensures the wheels sit perfectly flush with the fenders, giving your Pixel R8 a truly authentic and powerful presence on the track. Moving on to performance, a true Audi R8 needs a powerful heart. Install a V10 engine if available to replicate its real-world counterpart's impressive power. Next, upgrade the turbocharger and exhaust system to boost horsepower and give it that distinctive roar. Finally, spend some time tuning the ECU. This will optimize your engine's performance, ensuring your Pixel R8 not only looks the part, but also dominates the drag strip with incredible speed and acceleration. For the final touches, consider adding some custom decals or racing stripes to personalize your Audi R8 and make it truly unique. After all the modifications, take your car for a test drive. Make any minor adjustments to the suspension or engine tuning to perfect its handling and performance. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your custom R8.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.